On the News Hour debate tonight, representing the Congress party is party spokesperson and MP of the Lok Sabha, Bhakta Charan Das. Also taking a position that you can't just go against what the Congress spokesperson has said is Kumar Ketkar. I don't know Vinod Mehta's position. I will not try to, venture to guess what that will be. Rahul Narvekar represents a view with Chandan Mitra that what has been said by Shakil Ahmed cannot just pass off it as his own opinion. I'd like to put my first question to the Congress party spokesperson. Mr. Bhakta Charan Das, this is ridiculous that you allow a Congress spokesperson to say something like this and then you quickly say it's his personal opinion. First of all, nobody believes that you can have a personal opinion on issues of terror, especially when the personal opinion sounds like the kind of opinion that comes from retired ISI generals. But that's not my question to you. My question to you is that tomorrow by the same logic, Mr. Bhakta Charan Das, will your party also give a justification for the Khalistan movement?
No, okay, you can build things, but let me be very clear that party has never endorsed such kind of statement, and Mr. Shakil Ahmed is no more a spokesperson. So, he has tweeted. It was a tweeted things that has spreaded and the news are being made. It was his personal tweeting that it was his views. He may be derived from somewhere else.
So what
that
is
in no way party
view on it?
Concern to that.
What is the Congress party's view on it, and what action are you going to take against such intolerant remarks by a leader of your party?
You see, in the tweets, many people are tweeting and arguing. A lot of things are happening.
We are talking about a leader of your party who has tweeted.
Party fold. Yes, every party leader or every individual are free to make.
How will you punish him?
How
will you punish him? How will you punish? No. 1 second. Mr. Bhakta Charan Das. You see, this distancing will not do on the News Hour tonight, because Rahul Gandhi has said this. He says in the meeting today that spokespersons and panelists may have their own views, but you have to, or anyone, party people cannot go beyond party ideology. Those who go beyond party ideology will be noticed and action will be taken against them. Is this Congress party ideology that gives a justification for the emergence of the Indian Mujahideen, which has killed so many people and carried out so many terror attacks in the country? Is the Congress party going to allow a senior Congress leader to justify the acts of the Indian Mujahideen? What kind of politics is this, Mr. Bhakta Charan Das?
See, many persons in the country from different parties are making tweets, and I remember a few time before Honorable Sushma ji had made a tweet, and on tweet things I would not like to comment more. But
well, why wouldn't you like to comment more? Because okay, I'll get. Let's get Chandan Mitra. Let's get a second view. I think the strategy is very clear on the News Hour tonight. The Congress party strategy is keep a distance from the tweet. Keep a distance, but I find it very interesting. Don't reject it. Don't criticize it. Don't say you will take any action against Shakil Ahmed. What does this reflect, Chandan Mitra?
Well, you see, I am not surprised by Mr. Shakil Ahmed's statement. It shows the Congress's policy at the moment in their desperation. There is a kind of there's fear psychosis of Narendra Modi is pushing them to try and polarize the minority communities on one side, and that is the reason why Mr. Shakil Ahmed has been led to believe that the minorities are kind of in favor of the Indian Mujahideen, which is complete nonsense. And therefore, I think it's a very dangerous argument. It's a dangerous argument, it's a dangerous philosophy that the Congress is trying to peddle. But then what can one say about the Congress party, whose senior most General Secretary, Mr. Digvijay Singh, goes to Azamgarh and demands reopening of the Batla House encounter and even says it was fake, and refuses to acknowledge that the brave police officer Mohan Sharma, he believes was killed probably rightly by the terrorists living in Batla House. So, I mean, there have been a series
So
of
you
such
don't
attempts by the
think it's
Congress
a
party.
you don't think it's a mistake?
And,
You don't think it's a mistake or a tweet or just one thing said
Oh,
casually?
no, no way.
You don't think so?
No way. It is
You
not
think there's a
mistake.
strategy in this?
If at all, if we could give a benefit of the doubt to Mr. Bhaktacharya Das, who instead of saying that tweets are anybody's personal business, had he said that no, the Congress party denounces this kind of a statement
Okay.
which compromises national security.
Right. Now-
And that in keeping with Mr. Rahul Gandhi's statement today, that action will be taken against Mr. Shakil Ahmed.
Well, they are not saying
if he
that.
said
I
this
find it. I
on
find
your
it.
program
I find
tonight,
it. I find
would
it
say,
very-
all right, fine. We can still kind of try and say, okay, that finally the
Mr.
Congress party has come to its senses.
No, but
he
you
doesn't
see,
say that
Mr.
this is
Bhaktacharya Das
personal
tonight on
use,
the
so
news
anybody can tweet anything.
Chandan Mitra, Bhaktacharya Das has taken a decision, it appears to me, to continue to try and only distance. He will not condemn. He's fully aware. Therefore, I'm throwing a challenge to the Congress spokesperson live on Newshour tonight. I want the Congress party spokesperson to produce the paper because I have another piece of paper with me. I want the Congress party spokesperson Bhaktacharya Das and Sanjay Jha, who joins us later, to produce a piece of paper which directly links the Indian Mujahideen solely and only to the Gujarat riots. And Mr. Bhaktacharya Das, you think about this because I can show you proof after proof that this Indian Mujahideen is not a bunch of disgruntled youth. They are financed by Pakistan. Pakistan's ISI supports them to bleed India with 1,000 cuts. I don't know why you tonight, live on television on the news, you don't have the courage to say that what Shakil Ahmed said should be condemned. It is wrong. It is an attempt to communalize the situation and to polarize the votes. And even if he's a congressman, we will not allow it. Why don't you say that? Kumar Ketkar, your views.
Well, my simple point is,
Mr. Arnav,
my simple point
yes,
is before.
Mr. Arnav, Mr. Arnav, let us be very clear.
On what?
The Congress party never endorsed any kind of terror activities.
No. I am asking you,
terrorist
Shakil
group.
Ahmed says,
And,
Shakil
you are
Ahmed says,
justifying.
Shakil
You are
Ahmed,
justifying.
You see, it is a tweet war. It is a tweet war that is happening these days.
I don't care about...
I'm a practical man. I make war at the practical field.
What's practical?
What is happening on the dialogue or the discussions are going on the tweet thing.
Well, I'm sorry, but you know,
People are making news like this and engaging people like you and me and other people. So what can I say more about
Well,
it?
why don't you tell your party spokespersons to be more responsible, your party
fine.
leaders to be more
Then
responsible?
You denounce.
He's
You say that
no
he
more
will
a
not
party
tweet anymore.
spokesperson.
Then you criticize it, you denounce
He's
it.
no more a party
you-
spokesperson.
But he's a general secretary.
Then you denounce it on the program.
He is in
He
charge
is
of
no
three
more.
states.
He cannot
is
do
He is
that.
in
All
charge
of
of
understand his
spokesperson
difficulty.
for the Congress party.
The problem
He is
is
in
what
charge of
Mr.
three
Shakil
states.
Ahmed has said is
He
not too
is
far
a
from the
general
Congress's
secretary.
pseudo-secular ideology. The apple doesn't fall too far from the
He
tree.
said
Please
that-
understand
he
this
said
is the
exactly.
same Congress party
No, how
whose
you-
other leaders have given a communal color to terrorism. We've heard about green terrorism, saffron terrorism, which the Congress party and their leaders have been talking about time and again. So like I told you, the apple doesn't fall
we
too far
do
from the
not
tree.
endorse any
Your
kind of
pseudo-secular
communal
politics
politics
is
into
known
this.
to the nation at large. So face it. And if you think if that's not true, come out and
Mr.
condemn the remarks made by
Das-
Shakil Ahmed. Why aren't you doing that? We
Mr.
want to know the Congress party stand on this.
Mr. Bhaktacharya Das, why will you say
Mr.
tonight on the
Bhaktacharya
news
Das,
that you condemn,
Please,
criticize?
either you say that Shakil Ahmed reflects the Congress party's policy,
Will-
which you all know he does.
You say,
or
Mr.
you say we
Varna,
condemn it.
Mr.
You can't take a
Varna,
middle ground.
people
That
are
is only a
engaged
tweet.
in the
Tweet is a recognized
dialogue and
platform.
on the tweet wars these days.
I'm sorry.
So I don't give importance to this tweet war thing.
Well, I'm sorry, but you know, you have a Congress leader who can
You
build
may
a
not, the whole
justification for a
country
terror
does.
group.
Whole
You don't give
country
importance
does
to
give great
it.
importance.
This is the kind
Because
of
this is
irresponsible.
never-
These are the
we
kind of
never
irresponsible
endorse-
comments which will be played up by our enemies,
We
and you have no.
we denounce any kind of terror outfit and
No, you
group
are not
or
being
any
specific
kind
enough.
of
Is he being-
communal politics into this
Vinod
matter.
Mehta, before I come to you, let's get Kumar Ketkaran. Yes, Kumar.
My
Ketkaran.
simple point is, the ISI strategists have their biggest ally in Narendra Modi and Gujarat events. Their biggest ally. Because the strategy of the ISI is to divide India again on communal lines. So if they find any event, whether it is Gujarat riot or Babri Masjid
Should Rahul Gandhi
or
act
anything,
against Shakil Ahmed?
I am not concerned with what
Why are
Rahul
you not
Gandhi said. I am
talking
not
about-
defending
why-
Congress. I am
why-
not defending Shakil Ahmed.
No, but why-
I am not defending.
but I am
Bhakta
talking
Charan.
about Shakil
I am
Ahmed. What
merely
is your view
saying-
on Shakil Ahmed?
My view on Shakil Ahmed is he has hypothesized, and I think there is a possibility what he says is correct.
He has not hypothesized. He
Of
said
course
the
it is
Indian
hypothesis. He doesn't
Mujahideen-
know.
He has said the Indian Mujahideen was formed after the Gujarat riots as NIA in its charge sheet.
by simple definition of dates,
Wrong,
it is correct.
wrong.
No,
By
he-
simple definition of dates, it is
Wrong.
correct.
So that-
for instance, I will tell you.
so that
for instance, Arnab, I will tell you.
I think you're wrong, sir. I think you're wrong, sir.
Just remember, 1993 Mumbai blast took place after 1992 December Babri
sir,
and after 1993 January riots
Sir,
in
that's a-
Mumbai.
that's a
Not
dangerous link
before.
you are making.
That's,
That's a
not
dangerous-
a dangerous statement.
that's
It's
a
a fact.
so
I am just
unfortunate.
giving you
That's a
facts.
that's a
You
completely
are
dangerous
drawing-
line you are making.
I am just making a statement of facts.
Sir,
That
you are making-
1992 before 1992 Babri Masjid, there were no memos and there was no
It won't be
There was
one second.
1992 Babri Masjid
take a look-
attack.
take a look
there
at this
was
bit.
93 January riots in
take a look
Mumbai
here.
and March 1993 riots took place.
One second, Mr.
Bombs took
One
place.
second, Mr.
Same is Gujarat riots took place and after that I am what is
You
wrong
have a-
in
one-
giving the dates?
Kumar
He
Ketkar.
is just giving the
No,
dates.
please, Arnab, you cannot
That
allow.
doesn't mean he is
You
defending.
cannot allow.
I don't know
No,
what
no,
Shakil
he's-
Ahmed
cannot
wants to
allow
say.
Kumar
I
Ketkar.
am merely saying that
You
if you
allow-
take dates
cannot allow.
historically correct or wrong, what he is saying is historically correct. I don't know what he want to say politically or inferentially.
No, there is one second. There is a.
I think
one
Mr.
second.
Kumar
I
Ketkar
haven't-
needs to
Arnab, you
read
cannot allow-
the entire tweet, what he's tweeted about, and
Once-
then he
once-
won't
But
have...
I am not interested in defending him or offending him.
But
then what
I
you're
am
saying
merely
is far
saying
from
that
the
the
truth.
dates
I'm
are
sorry,
the
Arnab.
dates
Arnab.
given.
One second,
Dates in the
one
debate.
second, one second,
Dates
Chandra
in the
Mitra,
debate are correct. Dates in the debate are correct.
The facts in the tweet are wrong.
Facts in the tweet. I am not defending tweet
The
at
facts
all.
in the tweet
I
are
am
wrong.
not defending tweet
No,
or Shakil
no.
Ahmed. I am merely
Arnab,
saying that the rise of the Indian
Arnab,
Mujahideen
the
was a
conclusion-
happy conclusion for the ISI if it was happening
Arnab,
within India,
Chandan
if it was financed and strategized by them.
Chandan Mitra.
ISI has their biggest ally in Narendra Modi
I
and
think-
those kind of Hindu Hindu extremists.
One second. Kumar Ketkar. Vinod Mehta,
Kumar
you haven't come in
Ketkar.
yet. Vinod Mehta, by the way, I'm not trying to be deliberately impolite to you. I'm coming
Kumar
to you in a minute.
Ketkar.
1 second. Yes, Chandan Mitra, yes. Chandan Mitra, yes.
Mr. Kumar Ketkar, to my great regret, has become an ISI surrogate by making all these allegations, and he is trying to whitewash the sins of the Congress party, which has organized communal disturbances in India from the time of its inception. He has forgotten Bhagalpur, he's forgotten Malyana,
I
he's
think
forgotten
it
Hajimpura.
is
the
not
way
suitable from
they
the
attack
mouth of the
Muslims.
BJP's mouth.
And then 84 riots that they caused in Delhi, the worst communal riot in India's history, and now he's trying to justify everything. And next,
not
as you were right,
defending Delhi riots.
He called you an ISI surrogate.
But I am not defending Delhi riots. I am not defending any earlier riots.
No, of course you are. It amounts to the same thing. Look at the Kumar. You are a journalist.
One second.
You
Mr.
should
Mehta.
understand the basic
Mr.
logic.
Mehta.
It's the logic that you are
One
giving.
second.
I'm not talking
It's
of
the same
communal
logic-
rights. I'm
it's the
merely
same
giving the
logic
sequence,
as
Chandan.
Digvijay
I'm
Singh,
merely giving
Shakil
the
Ahmed,
sequence.
and the
What
ISI
sequence?
generals in Karachi.
One
You are
second.
giving the same argument.
I am not giving the same
Absolutely
argument. I am neither defending Shakil nor offending him.
Of course
I am
you
not
are.
defending Congress or offending Congress.
You are giving
I am
the
just
same
giving the
argument.
sequence of
You are-
events.
You are defending.
I think
You are
this is a
defending
very
Shakil
No,
Ahmed.
Chandan,
You are
serious.
defending
I am
Shakil
serious.
Ahmed.
I am
You are
not
compromising
defending.
national security.
I am just giving
And
the sequence of
you are
events.
parroting the same lines. I have heard Pakistani generals say
Yeah.
here on this program. I have heard Digvijay Singh say this. This is exactly the Pakistan line which you are propagating here.
Gentlemen, I now want to bring in a document at this stage on the News Hour tonight. Vinod Mehta, I'm coming to you, please. Again, for the second time, I'm telling you, I'm not being deliberately impolite to you. I just want to contradict Kumar Ketkar directly here today. Kumar Ketkar, you are drawing up a theory of dates. You are saying if this date, the Gujarat riots happened, and if this date after that the Indian Mujahideen is formed, then by natural consequence your argument is that the formation of the Indian Mujahideen...
I am just giving the dates.
Yeah, sure, you're giving
I am
the dates, but
saying
you're wrong.
that Indian Mujahideen was not there in 1992.
Sure it wasn't.
I am saying that Indian Mujahideen
So
was
I
not
have-
there in 1993.
So I have
I
the-
am saying that Indian Mujahideen was not there in 2002.
I have the pleasure now of showing you a document which I want you to read out, sir. And you can tell me if I'm right or wrong. This document I have with me is the presentation made by the Delhi Police Special Commissioner Sachidanand Srivastav, who has been given the honor to make a presentation of the Indian Mujahideen. This is very detailed. And I want you to read out. It goes across to you, journalist to journalist, because I know that you will you would like to see the document, please read out slide number 5. What is written in slide number 5 out there about the circumstances in which the Indian Mujahideen was born? Slide number 5 there for you, sir. There.
Entire one, in its efforts to deny the involvement
Yes.
of Pakistan Pak-based Islamic terrorist groups, especially LET and HUJI,
Yes.
encouraged formation of a local group of terrorists to project to the outside world
Yes.
that terrorism in India is indigenous in character and content.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what does this tell you?
it
Then
tells me that?
Pakistan. No, what does this tell you? What is?
But how
what
does
this
it
tell-
contradict what I'm saying?
It tells you that Pakistan created the Indian Mujahideen.
Yeah,
It has nothing to do
I'm
with
not
the
denying
Gujarat
that. I'm
riots.
saying Pakistan is encouraged in doing such things because we give them on hand, on platter.
So by the same logic, you will justify separatism.
No,
I am not
this is long before.
Come on, yaar. I am
This
not defending.
is long before Gujarat.
Well, I think my question to
This
Vinod Mehta
is
at this
wrong,
stage.
But
Don't
I
have-
am not saying that this is wrong. I am merely saying by sequence,
Long
these
before
are the
Gujarat.
things.
This-
1992 Babri Masjid comes
Has-
first,
has-
93
no,
riots come
has
later,
Pakistan-
93 bomb blasts come
Sequence-
later, in 2000 there is no Indian
My
Mujahideen.
question to you,
Mujahideen
sir,
comes after the
Indian
2002
Mujahideen
riots. It's
formed long
a
before
sequentially,
Gujarat.
this is correct.
Indian
doesn't
Mujahideen
contradict.
formed
The
long before
police
Gujarat.
commissioner does not contradict.
Don't mislead. Don't mislead.
My question now.
Don't mislead.
that is
Indian
not
Mujahideen
contradicting
was
my
formed long
point.
before Gujarat riots.
I have a
No,
document.
no. I
I am saying that
your
there
facts.
communal divide has been there ever
I'm
since
contradicting your
1947
facts.
or
Indian
even before
Mujahideen was
1947.
formed before Gujarat riots.
But Chandan, communal divide is there even before 1947.